Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 16 of the practice exam 1. Find the equation of the line below. You are given a graph where there are 2 points shown. Let's first mark the 2 points, label the points as A and B. A is the point who has the x-coordinate -5 and the y-coordinate -1. B has x-coordinate 4 and the y-coordinate 5. So we have the 2 points. So given 2 points, it's possible to get the slope of the line. So we'll find out the slope of the line. M equal to the difference in y-coordinates over the corresponding difference in the x-coordinates. So the difference in the y, so let's take 5 as y2 and -1 as y1. And x2 is 4 minus x1 is -5. So if you simplify that, it will become 6 divided by 4 plus 5, which is a 9. So reduce it, that will be 2/3. So that is the slope of the line. So at this point, either you can use point slope form, and slope is known, and you can use one of the points, then find out the equation of the line, or we can also use the slope intercept form to find out the equation of the line. So let's find out the equation. Let's write down the equation of the line in the slope intercept form. So that will be y equal to mx plus b, but just now we found out what the slope was. That will be 2/3. So it is 2/3 x plus b. We have to find out what this b is. So we'll use the fact that the line passes through the point -5, -1 or 4, 5. So we can choose 4, 5 being positive. So we will plug in x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. So 4, 5, 0.45 lies on the line. Just for reference, we will call this as equation 1. So 4, 5 lies on the line 1. So we can replace y by 5 and x by 4. And then we'll leave the b as is and we'll solve for b. So 5 equal to, so 2 times 4, 8 divided by 3 plus b, or b equal to, move the 8/3 to the other side. So it is 5 minus 8/3, because when 8/3 moves to the other side. Now we have to adjust the denominators. So it will be times 3 times 3. So you get b equal to 15 minus 8/3, or it is 7/3. So the y-intercept is 7/3 and the slope is 2/3. If we now write down the equation of the line, the equation of the line in the slope-intercept form, y equal to mx, so it is 2/3 x plus b, but b equal to 7/3. So that is the equation of the line. Hope this video helps.